Hi everyone, this is Augustine, and today I'm demoing the app that I created for the final project of iOS development course, and the app I made is called RoseChecker. It is basically a calendar specifically for student and roles, and I just opened this app right now. As you can see, there's a launch screen, like a splash view that show up when I actually launch my app. That is customly made for this app, and currently I've logged in as my using my Rose account, and I can quickly log out to show that my app actually works. The authentication method actually works, and I've implemented this floating button for all the actions that the user can do with my app, and by doing this, I think the animation is quite cool to implement, and I've the killer function that my app offers is to import events directly from the calendars that you can download it from the banner schedule lookup page. For me, I've already sent the calendars through the email, and I've downloaded the file directly into my phone, and now I can directly open it with my app. Then I can just it will just show up with a prompt that telling the user how many events that the user are about to import, and when I click confirm, it will just import all the courses that I will take this quarter. And as you can see here, this course is offered by Dr. Eckholt, and of course the iOS course CSSE 484. The time is the regular meeting time is from 8 to 9:50, and the location is the Olin 203, and the instructor is Dr. Fisher. This is all included in the calendar file that we downloaded, and I've made a custom parser for those informations. And also here, this TBA, it must be one of the finals, I think. So for this import features, I think it's really convenient, especially at the beginning of the each quarter. Just import once and use for all for later. And also I'm really implemented the day by day mode, actually allow you to skim through each day's calendars by click the next and previous button, and the date will show up as the title here. Also, what if a user trying to go to a specific date to check his schedules? I've also implemented this feature by the button pick a date. When the user tap this button, it will just show up this date picker view. I've specifically moved this prompt actually a bit lower on the screen, just easier for user to use the thumb to scroll through this date. And as you can see, when I scroll through this date, it actually changes the dates live by live, and the user can directly see the result, and I can directly change the months and year. Yeah, it's just and there's a today button that I can quickly go back to today if I just choose to do so, and when I click cancel, it will just remove this date picker. And and want to click show all events, just show up here. And if a user want to delete one event, say if I just want to delete this final event, I can click select event to delete. We'll just summon this show the editing view, and as you can see, the icons actually changes from the pencil to this check icon to indicating if the user finished, you should click this one. It just so I can show that if I just want to delete this one, I just this will just gone, and I can click done editing. Also, user can directly like swipe from right to left to delete an event. And also for this red line, there's a remove all important events. So maybe you are wondering why did I implement this feature? This is for the incidents that one user may actually accidentally import the same event twice. Say here, if I click the import events and I pick my event again and I click confirm, then as a result, you can see there are just multiple instances of the same event. This is bad, right? this really painful to actually just delete like events one by one. So I just pick this one, remove all imported events that will actually remove all the events that you imported if there is such occurrence, because the import part is actually easy and with just only like 2 clicks, I think. So with this, you just save your time to delete all the events. So here, as you can notice, there's one event that's be left behind, untouched. This is the actually another type of this event, because for our Rose academic life, I think we are actually meeting all the time during the meetings. So I've edited this feature to actually create a meeting event. So now I'll just show that when I click that one, you will just prompt this view, and I can add a name. So for that one, I can just add test 2 and the location, maybe loading, and the meeting start time. So I just choose 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock as the end, and the agenda, maybe just app testing 2, and the members, maybe Bob. So when I click create, it will show up here, and when I'm clicking, it will just show the meetings, and the text field will be customized to members and the agenda. And when I click edit, I can quickly change the time, maybe to 4 o'clock, and then this one to 5 o'clock. And I can also like edit all these things. So there's only one thing that I didn't solve for right now, is for the members text field and the app agenda field, because when I summon the keyboard, it will actually covers the text field, but the user can still input this one. So I didn't actually spend extra time to fix this one. Maybe I think I will just fix this one after during the summer. And when I click down, all the information will be updated. As you can see, the time will just change to from 4 to 5, change to 45. And I just do a comparison with the course event. I'll just import the event again. So for the course event, it actually shows up the instructor name and the additional info, and default to just list a homework that's easier for you to check. And this is all customized, and also the course event is also like specifically tailored for the course event, and if you click a meeting event, it will just show meetings. And yeah, I think I can just show the logout also works, and I think this is all the features for my app. Hopefully you might considering download this app. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.